What a great beginning to our conference today with Heidi. Thank you so much, Heidi. Who is here to learn how to be a more confident speaker? Can I get a yes? Can I get a me? For those of you who are watching today, if you're watching the replay, feel free to comment as often as you'd like. So I'm going to go a different route with this from what Heidi has already shared with us today. The secret to confidence when it comes to speaking is staying hydrated. Now, you may be like, what, Jen, what are you talking about? Well, here's what I mean. Imagine it is so warm outside. You've been outside in the hot sun. There's sweat dripping down your brow. You walk inside to your cool air-conditioned home and you enter the kitchen. On your left-hand side is the kitchen sink with tepid tap water. All you want to do is quench your thirst. To your right is a refrigerator with a cool and refreshing bottled water. Either one of those water options will quench your parched throat and quench your thirst. Which one of those do you choose? Now, right now, there is a speaker who is going onto stage and presenting a 60-minute presentation. They are also charging $5,000 plus to deliver that 60-minute presentation. That speaker is the bottled water. Now, not only do they quench their audience's thirst, but they also bring a different experience entirely to their presentation. Now, we can talk about mindset in terms of how to be more confident every day. But as a speaker coach, I help you consistently get up on stage. So my unique flavor of how to feel more confident with speaking is learning how to bridge into getting paid to be a speaker. I know you love speaking and you have it on your heart, excuse me, to share your mission from the stage. I love that for you. You do it for free because that's how passionate you are about public speaking. This message absolutely needs to be heard. And you can become that bottled water speaker sooner than you think. Now, imagine I invited you to speak on a stage tomorrow. Then I offered you $5,000 plus US or whatever currency you're in today to deliver that message on that stage. How do you think your confidence level would change knowing that you don't only get to speak about something you're passionate about, but you're also getting paid for that passion? So if you had to scale this on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being I am out of this world excited and enthusiastic, tell me what your confidence level would look like if you got paid to speak on stage tomorrow. That is what we're going to be talking about today. Now, confidence is only one of the ways I support my clients. I also help my clients with being consistently on stage and clarifying their signature speech. For the next few minutes, can I share with you my unique roadmap to getting paid to speak? Let me know in the comments for those of you who are watching live. Yes, if you're ready to take on my roadmap. Now, the MAP is an acronym for MAP. Now, let's go through these letters one at a time. M stands for motive. I work with clients who want to do a lot of things with speaking, and we always start with the end in mind. What does success look like for you when it comes to speaking? Now, we know you're going to wow your audience. We know you're going to deliver an impactful and powerful message. But there are other ways you can show your impact. So when you think about exiting from the stage, it was an amazing audience. It was a great experience. What does success mean to you? Now, for some of my clients, it's receiving raving testimonials, having the event organizer come up to you and inviting you to another stage, possibly a paid stage. For other clients of mine, they want to sign new coaching or consulting clients into their high-ticket programs. And I have other clients who say, well, Jen, I want to get paid a speaking fee, and this is my minimum speaking fee. My favorite clients, though, are the ones that take all of those into consideration and say, I want all of it, Jen. I'm going to be not just the tepid kitchen sink water, but I'm also going to be the refreshing and cool bottled water type of speaker. I'm going to do it all, and I'm going to make a bigger impact through that. That is what motive stands for. By the way, stay tuned for the next few minutes because I will share with you my gift for how you can wrap your hands around this and make it tangible for you, because I want to make sure that you have an action step to take from today. Continuing on with a roadmap of how to get paid to speak. The second letter, A, stands for audience. Now, I'm not saying you're going to go out there and create a client avatar or a customer avatar, because guess what? The people sitting in the rows and the chairs in your audience are not the audience I'm talking about. And a lot of speakers make this mistake when they're first pitching themselves as speakers, especially when they're looking to get paid. You need to appeal not just to the people in the audience, but really who you're coordinating with and having a conversation with is the event organizer and planner. Your job is to make them look good in front of their boss. Your job is to make them look like everything is under control and you are on time and you're going to deliver exactly what you promised to deliver. There are different audiences who are looking for what you have to offer, for your speech content, for the way you deliver it, the very unique way that you deliver it. You are a superstar. And they're also looking for you to continue that conversation beyond the 45 or 60-minute presentation where you're showing up on their stage. Can you deliver on all of those promises? If you don't yet know how to deliver on those promises, let's have a conversation about what that could look like. There are some minimum pieces you need within your toolkit. I call it a speaker kit, in order to really command those stages and have better conversations with people who are looking for your message. Before we get to the last letter of the roadmap, I want to share something with you that should be clear, but maybe we need to spell it out here. None of this roadmap will matter if you have yet to choose or confirm your signature speech. And I'm not talking about creating a new speech every time you show up on a new stage. That is not what a signature speech is. I would really love to share my signature speech template with you to make this super easy for you. Is it okay if I post that in the chat underneath this video? Let me know yes if that's a good thing for you. So my signature speech template is a free gift that will help you brainstorm what success looks like for you as a speaker, how to organize your speech in such a way that you don't annoy your audience and you wow your audience at the same time. And most importantly, how to engage and include your audience members within your content. Don't be that speaker who puts your audience to sleep, and don't be that speaker who pitch slaps them until they pass out from exhaustion. You are not going to show up as that speaker because you know better after having downloaded my signature speech template. If you don't see the link, just comment below this video with speech, and I will send you a private message with the direct link. All right, back to the programming. Let's finish out the letters of the road map. So the last letter, P, stands for program. Your program has to answer a question that your audience is asking. Now, I'm not talking something that you can ask Siri or ask Alexa or even ask Google or ChatGPT. Your question that you're answering should not be something that anyone can find from an internet search. You show your thought leadership on stage by posing a solution that nobody has heard of or nobody has heard of in the way in which you deliver it. In terms of your program, you need to give them 2 ways to take away, if they choose to, and take action on what you just shared with them. So the 2 ways is a free gift of some sort. I've shared with you my signature speech template. And the second gift is only for the VIPs in your audience. By this, I mean the VIPs in your audience who are ready to take action and go deeper with you. Now, I'm not saying you're going to sell heavily from stage because that's not the way it works today. That's not how you wow your audience. And there will be a certain percentage of your audience members who want to take the work deeper and don't know what that looks like. Your job as a speaker is to make it clear what are the next steps. What is the quick, easy win through your free resource? And what is a deeper, more involved transformation that you are promising from your presentation? Now, there's only so much you can do in 60 minutes, but there's much more you can do over the next 6 months for those clients who are interested in taking the work deeper with you. I have a lot of coaching clients who are confused as to what to offer that special call to action at the end of their presentation. If you only mention your call to action at the last 5 minutes of your presentation, that may be why you're not receiving phone calls or inquiries or signing new clients, because it wasn't easy for them to understand what the next steps were. Your job on top of that platform is to make it easy. Also, if you download my free gift that I gave you, I will walk you through my speaker booking system and send you invitations to my masterclasses where I show you exactly what to do to find your next stage, including paid stages. Now, thinking back to the metaphor of the water, there are people who are presenting right now who are quenching their audience's thirst. There are people as well who are that famous bottled water and delivering an amazing experience that your audience will remember for years to come. Do you choose to be the tap water, or do you choose to be the bottled water? Cheers to your next stage. My name is Jenn Espinosa-Goswami. I encourage you to stay hydrated. I encourage you to increase your confidence by getting paid for your passion. And let's take the next stage confidently.